In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a genogram in Canva. A genogram is like an advanced family tree. It doesn't just show who's related to whom, but also patterns, relationships, and important information about each family member. Canva is a great tool for this because it's visual, easy to use, and you don't need any design background. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. On the home page, go to the search bar at the top and type in genogram or family tree. This helps you quickly find templates that are already laid out for relationship diagrams. If you don't see a genogram-specific template, look for a simple family tree or a flowchart layout with boxes and connecting lines. Those work really well as a starting point. Once you find a design you like, click on it and choose Customize this template. This opens the template in the Canva editor. Before you change anything, zoom out a bit so you can see the whole layout. This gives you a clear idea of how much space you have and how many generations or branches you can show. Now start personalizing it. Click on any text box to rename the people in the chart. You can add basic details like names and birth years, or keep it simple if you're just mapping relationships. To add more family members, duplicate existing shapes instead of creating new ones from scratch. This keeps the style consistent. Just right-click on a box, select Duplicate, and then drag it into place. You'll want to show connections clearly. Use the line or connector tool on the left-hand side to draw lines between partners, parents, and children. Make sure the lines are straight and not overlapping too much to keep everything easy to read. For complex families, zoom in and adjust spacing so branches don't get crowded. If you're following standard genogram symbols, you can use squares for males, circles for females, and add different line styles to represent close, distant, or conflicted relationships. Canva's shapes and line styles make this simple. Just use colors and labels that make sense to you and anyone else who will read the chart. When you're happy with your genogram, give it a quick review. Check names, dates, and connections to make sure nothing is missing. Finally, click the Share or Download button in the top right corner to export it as a PDF or image file, ready to print or share digitally.